Giuc, Shambamaram, Tum, Sócrates, Giuculini, Silvio Rodríguez, Viumba.
Every year I hear fireworks and I'm like, oh no, I hope my cat's not scared. And then I remember she's fucking stupid.
Hey man, you wanna stop?
Changing of the guards. Perfect.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
No! Oh, you're getting it on the bed.
Suma.
Ustedes de las perras que ladran y no muerden. Pues aquí está la primera mordida. Pues yo también soy perra.
Miss, excuse me, but your titties are out.
Do a flip! Do a flip!
Excuse me, this is, we're not gonna die today. Thanks for trying, though.
Come here, you! Get on out of my shit! That's the last straw! I'm gonna cook you into Christmas dinner. You better come right here! Oops.
Hey, what are you doing in here?
What the is happening?
Ike, you have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no?
Just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap. Ah!
Oh my god.
Are you guys serious? We talked about this. You're 7 weeks old. You don't need to be playing beer pong.
Yeah, and let me just say this. When it comes to a drink, I'ma have it.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
That maybe he would finally stop because he didn't want to go to jail. Thankfully, that was where my mom did.
Walk out the you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're broken when you're not really broken, but you just broke our table.
1, 2, 3. There's one in there too.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.
So good and tasty. This is what we do when we're bringing in groceries from outside. We put our cats in here because, guys, I swear, it's no animal abuse or nothing. These run out every second they get. This is trying to run out when he's in the basket. Bro, chill out.
Miso.
He just goes from titty to titty. Oh, it's okay. You're going to do a new set of titties. It's fine.
Meow.
How to make a killer in 1 sec.
Poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Hi, are you gonna come see me? Thank you. Thank you.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
That was a quick decision, kid. You're very chatty tonight, young lady. Yeah? What do you want to say to everyone? Is that so? Really, such strong language, Gidget.
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
See this? It's for scratching Banksy when I'm not super close to her. I'ma boop you on the head with some scratchies. I'ma boop you. Yeah, baby.
Minushka, why have you turned to the vodka? Why, in these trying times, you have abandoned your children and all you do is drink the vodka? Do you have comment? Do you have Oh, look, she is going right back to the bottle. Oh, she is so intoxicated and she is very...
Hey. Okay. No rent due today. Good boy.